Hello engineers, Radhe Radhe. So engineers, welcome back to our YouTube channel and most welcome back to our Factory Talk View Studio tutorial. So engineers, in previous video, I have already discussed about Factory Talk View Studio. So engineers, in this video, today we are going to just discussing about Arrange tab in Factory Talk View Studio. In Arrange tab, there are many options. So engineers, one by one, all option you will be covered step. So engineer, please keep in this video and just start this video. Actually, when you have to open Arrange tab, then you have to see Arrange tab, group, ungroup, and its shortcut key is Control G. Ungroup shortcut key is Control U. Send to back, bring to front, align left, align center, align right, align top, align middle, align button, align center point, align to grid, space vertical, space horizontal, flip vertical, flip horizontal. These are the option you have to just see, but one by one just I am going to discussing with you. So actually when you have to select any object, then you have to go to Arrange tab. First number is group. Group means when you have to select two object, then it will be group. Like as I have to select a rectangle and then select ellipse, then I have to go to Arrange, then group option will be enabled, then you have to just control select on group, then it will be group, the both object are group, when you have to just the both object are group, then you have to go to Arrange, then you have to just select on group, it will be just on group. Understand what I want to say to you? These are the option where you have to just group and ungroup the object, and these are send. Third is send to back. Send to back, when you have to select any object, then you have to click on send to back, it will be go to back. Like you have to just this object are just overlap on each other, then let's see, I have to just select ellipse and go to send to back. When I have to click on send to back, then it will be just go back. When I have to just click on it and bring to front, it will be bring to front. Understand what I want to say to you? Now let's come to the point and align left. Align left is the option where you have to just align any object to left. Like as when I have to select other object like as rectangle, when I have to select a rectangle, understand, and just click on it and just click on it and just click on it and go to the arrange, then align left means it will be align left. Let's see, align left, like as one times more, when you have to select one rectangle and other rectangle, then go to the arrange tab, then align left, it will be align left. When I have to just click on it and just I have to remove it ellipse, then you have to just see, when I have to select it, then I have to select it, then go to the align center, means it will be come to align in center point, it will be align in center. When I have to just click arrange step, then align right, then it will be align right. Let's see, watch, understand. And now I have to go to align top, means it will be align top, it will go to the align top. When I have to click on align top, then you have to just watch it, align top means it will be align top, means it go above the top position. Go to the arrange tab, then align middle. When you have to click on align middle, just I have to just then I have to just select both object, then I have to select align middle, means it will be aligned in middle point. Understand what I want to say to you? Now I have to go to align bottom, means upper object will be come to below to the align button. When I have to click on align button, then it will be align button. Understand what I want to say to you? Align center point, it will be every object come to the align center point, means center point में ये आ जाएगा align center point. Understand what I want to say to you? Then go back and control Z, I have to just click on it and then go to place and align to grid. मीन्स ये अलाइन टू ग्रिड, मीन्स ये आपका अलाइन टू ग्रिड मतलब ग्रिड के अनुसार होगा, लाइक व्हेन आई हैव टू क्लिक ग्रिड, अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई हैव टू कंट्रोल जेड and I have to just I have to click and now I have to align grid. Let's see, align grid means from what is the use of it, I don't know, but it means working. When I have to just select this object and also this object, let's see, align to grid means align to grid means there are grid, okay, there are in the display setting when you have to select align grid, behavior, align grid option will be not so currently now, but it is working align grid. And now I have to just select it and go to the arrange tab, space vertical, space horizontal. What is the use of space vertical and space horizontal, I don't know, but in it is just currently disabled now. Flip vertical means it will be flip in vertical mode, then understand what I want to say to you, then it will be just flip vertical, ये flip vertical हो गया. Flip horizontal means ये आपका horizontal में flip हो जाएगा, like this one and this one and this one, and just click on it and go to the arrange, then flip horizontal means ऊपर वाला नीचे आ गया, नीचे वाला ऊपर आ गया, अंडरस्टैंड. एंड फ्लिप वर्टिकल मीन्स नीचे वाला ऊपर चला गया, ऊपर वाला नीचे आ गया. बस इतना ही था अरेंज टैब में. अगर इंजीनियर्स आपको कोई भी डाउट हो, ठीक, आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं अरेंज टैब में. बस इतना ही था, बट याद कीजिएगा कि कंट्रोल जी, कंट्रोल बी, कंट्रोल जी, कंट्रोल यू, ये याद कीजिएगा जब भी फैक्ट्री टॉक व्यू स्टूडियो ओपन कीजिएगा, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, ठीक. और सेंड टू बैक, ब्रिंग टू फ्रंट, ये यहाँ से आता है, ठीक, आई होप. एंड यहाँ से ये भी ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा, ठीक. ये देख रहे हैं ना, ये आपका जस्ट आ जाइएगा, यहाँ से भी मिल जाता है, ठीक. अगर मैं बात करूँ तो ये देखिए, फ्लिप वर्टिकल, फ्लिप हॉरिजॉन्टल, ग्रुप, अनग्रुप, यहाँ पे ब्रिंग टू फ्रंट, ब्रिंग सेंड टू बैक, जूम इन, जूम आउट, अनडो, रीडो, शो हाइड, जो एक्सप्लोरर, अलाइन लेफ्ट, अलाइन राइट, अलाइन सेंटर, अलाइन टॉप, अलाइन बटन, align middle, align center point, align to grid. Understand what I want to say to you? Arrange tab, all option are just open, यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा, ठीक है जी. बस आज के इस वीडियो में अरेंज टैब के ऊपर मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया. आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा कि अरेंज टैब फैक्ट्री टॉक व्यू स्टूडियो में, वो भी मशीन एडिशन में, कैसे वर्क करता है. थैंक्स इंजीनियर्स. राधे राधे. फिर मिलते हैं एक नए वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए राधे राधे इंजीनियर्स.